Ever feel like email is a mess? Let me show you how easy it is to use Gmail. So Gmail is a free email service from Google that makes managing your messages super simple. You can send emails, organize them with labels, and even search for all those messages in seconds. It's like having a superpower for your inbox. Let me walk you through the basics so you can get started. All I have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into mail.google.com, and you'll find the Gmail, and you start creating an account if you don't have it, but of course you will have it because you will use it in your whole life. So hello everyone, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use gmail.com. So I hope everything is doing well firstly, and let's get started right now. So firstly, this is the home page. As you can see, we have here, for example, in the middle, the email that we receive. As you can see, we have here also other options that could help you marks here all as read if you want, and then we have here for refresh, and we have here for a select if you want to know one read and read start and start, as you can see, and also we'll find here other things as you can see. All right, so we have also here in the left compose, inbox, then we have start, snooze, send, draft, and we have more, and we have labels. So let's firstly discover what is this one. About this one, you found here compose. You have just right now to click over here, as you can see, and you start here to add the email address. For example, let's just add in my email address like that. For example, like that, gmail.com, and you start here adding the subject. For example, here asking for advice. Then I will just come back right now. If you want to also here before this one, you can here add CCC and BCC as well. Then let's just, for example, starting, I will just here there, for example, or you have just to add, I hope everything is doing well firstly. And here we have, you'll find Gmail help you to type, and for example, we have, I hope everything is well with you. And if you can just click over enter like that, and you come back if you want, or if you want to hear this one, you can just click over tab and you let it like that. So, or you can just let it as well like that, and here we have as well with you, and here we have it right now. Also, you can hear if you want to click over here and you endo, and that's it, the endo. And we have also here the option of Fredo. Then we have here if you want to select, if you want to, for example, this one, and there we have it how it looks. And we have also here other options such as this one, and here we have how it looks. And also we have other options such as narrow, comic MS, and we have here German, Georgia, how you can just select the one you want. Then we have here this one. I want to make it huge, for example, like that, as you can see. Then if you want to also here make it large, if you want to make it normal, and if you want to make it small, right? Then we have if you want to make it bold, if you want to make it italic, if you want to underline, and then we have here the text color. Let's just select one of this, and here we have also other colors. You can just here select the background as well. So about the background, you'll find it like that, and then you find here also the alignment. You have to select here to find this one or this one, alignment center. Then we have align right, alignment here, and then we have here numbered list. Then we have also here button list, and here we have if you want to put here this one in the left and the right, and then we have here code, and also we have right to left. Then we have also strike here, as you can see, strike draw, and then we have here remove formatting, as you can see. Then we have here for a send, you click over here and you start sending, and then we have also here other options such as here formatting options. Then we have here if you want to attach files, And also we have here if you want to add other things such as emojis. For example, we have if you want to attach links, and then we have here insert link and insert emoji, insert files using Drive, and then we have also if you want to add insert photos. And also we have here for toggle confidential mode. If you want to also insert signature, you click over here, and we have also here this set up a time to meet or text spell, and you can use here Google Meet to set up a meet. You'll find here over times you're free or create an event, and we have chicks plan print, and we have plain text mode label as well. About label, we'll find here if you want to create new manage labels or add a star promotions from updates. You have just to select firstly the label as a social or as update or as a firm or other thing. Then we have also here the last one, which is default to full screen, and if you don't like it, you click over here and you delete it. All right, so we have the email that we received from us. So that's kind of, so I just feel like stupid because I sent email to me. So by the way, let's just continue. So we have also here in the left other options such as start. We have also here snowst. We have send, and then we have here draft, and we have also here more such as if you want to important, and if you want to hear chats, schedule. You will find here other tanks. Then we have all mail, and then we have your spam, the button of trash, and then we have category. For the category, select social if you want updates, and we have here farms, promotions, manage labels. You click over here, and then if you want to create a new label, you click over here and you enter a new label, for example with this name. Then let's just click on over create. Once you click over create, you have just to start here the label here was created, and that's it for this one. You can just click over here and you'll find here our label, as you can see. And here we have it right now. We have a label. You have just to select firstly the color, and we have a label list. You have a show if I read, hide, or we have a message list. If you want to edit, remove a label, or add a letter. All right. So that's it for this one. Right now, let's just go to the settings to more understand about this one. So about the settings, you will find here are various options such as general, labels, inbox, accounts and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop and map, emap, and we have here advanced. About the first one, you'll find here the language. You have to select the language. If you want to change, you click over here, the phone numbers if you want, and also we have a the country, maximum page size. We have in the send. You can just click over here if you want to hear 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 20 seconds, and how much you want. Then we have default reply behavior if you want to reply or reply all. Then we have here hover actions. Just enable hover actions, disable hover actions. Then we have here send and archives. We have here show send and archive button in reply. Then we have here hide. Then we have default text style, image, dynamic, email, grammar, spelling, autocorrect, and the various options that could help you guys. So we have just to get started right now and modify all these options. And then we have also here labels, we have inbox, account and import, filters and blocked addresses, forwarding and pop, and then we have the add-ons. Alright, so this is how it works with Gmail. You can just get started as soon as possible and you modify all these things, and you have just to use those options because it's very helpful to send an email with those options that could help you to send email with a quality as well. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.